In the online CPPM course, we've really blended together three major subjects. We talk a little bit about company strategy and how projects are selected and developed and how they line up with overall corporate strategy. We also cover a wide variety of tools and techniques that are covered in the project management body of knowledge. So we'll incorporate some of the key tools such as schedule development and developing a cost baseline that can help project managers out. On top of those two subjects, we layer on a degree of leadership and negotiation, some of the soft skills that will be required in project management to help a project leader do a better job of managing their environment and doing a better job of bringing a project to the finish line. We've worked very hard to make sure that the content of the online class lines up with the classroom version of the class. However, the online format gives us some flexibility that perhaps we don't have in the classroom environment. From the format perspective, we've also added a couple of things to the online version that I think are interesting. We're incorporating a project management simulation. So the students and participants in the online program get to use a simulation tool from a company that we have partnered with. And the simulation is in use at major colleges like Columbia and Yale and MIT. And it gives the students an opportunity to actually practice what we cover in the classroom. And so when we talk about schedule development and schedule compression, they not only get the classroom version of this, but they also get the hands-on practice with this project management simulator. And I think that's a great opportunity in the online program. Some of the things that are more flexible in nature, say the tools and techniques, can be covered very easily in a pre-recorded video instead of using class time for that. Hello everyone, I'd like to welcome you to the Certified Professional Project Manager program at the University of St. Thomas in Minneapolis, Minnesota. When we have a synchronous session together, when we're all sharing a web session, we focus on the most important topics that require a great deal of discussion. So the way that it's blended is that we've got some of the techniques that are easily understood outside the classroom. We can separate those out in the recorded videos, and the more in-depth things that are required, we can handle in a web session together. A good CPPM candidate is typically somebody who has been involved with project management in the past, who wants to formalize their project management experience and take away a certificate from the University of St. Thomas. So this can be seen as a stepping stone between the St. Thomas certificate and a global set of credentials like a PMP or the CAPM credential from the Project Management Institute. It's somebody who really wants to validate their understanding of project management and formalize those skills.